Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So you can see that market is completed not only the OP on the daily chart and the XOP on the hourly chart that we have discussed recently. And we have agreed to take a look what will happen. It's just because formally this is daily oversold, this is daily OP target, where market theoretically has reasons to show some response. It's because it's significant level. At the same time, some tricky moments exist. First of all, current levels around 107 is below the major support, which is 107.50. And market right now actually stands between the major levels. If you take a look at the weekly chart, I already have shown you this picture. As you can see, market slightly stands below the first level, but hasn't reached 106.11, so it's somewhere in between. And additionally, we have the divergence, which suggests touching of the 106.20 lows. This market should proceed lower. Here's no oversold. So, and from technical point of view, market has no big actually barriers to just keep going lower. That's the reason why we said that, well, let's see what will happen, but chances that market could show just very small reaction or even no reaction on OP, just keep going lower, this chance exists and will challenge these lows recently. Meantime, if we'll take a look at the lower time frames on the 4 time frame chart, we've got some grabbers here on the bottom, and this pattern suggests that market should show minor pullback somewhere to the 107.50 resistance area, right there where we have the confidence. Additionally, as we said, probably when the market will touch the XOP, it could start forming the head and shoulders, where that's might be the shoulder and the XOP might be the head. And actually that's what we see right now. Also some divergence we have. At the same time, reaction on the OP in general looks very weak. Why? Because when the market forms reversal pattern, normally on the right side of this pattern it should be more active. It should make some thrusty attempts or something of that sort. Something of this kind of this type of action. So the bulls getting all control over the market gradually. But currently we do not see anything of this sort. So let's see what will happen later. But at this point, overall performance looks very choppy. Second, we have not 1618 but 127 head and shoulders, which is potentially not as strong, because minimum target of this pattern will be slightly above this area, somewhere around 107.65 maybe, some kind of this type of the ABCD pattern, which is actually mostly agrees with the first level. What I would like to say here is, guys, if even some reaction will happen, it will stay inside of this area. So it will not be something, well, outstanding, something drastic. So it will be just a gradual, slow reaction that maybe will give us slightly better chances for taking the long position. And I won't be surprised if the market will fail here to show something in general. Why I'm not considering taking the short position right now? Mostly because of the performance of the other markets. Those of you who are watching our gold market videos, and we will talk about this later in the next video today, on the gold market we've got the bullish grabber on the daily chart. This is important. If you take a look at the indexes, I mean stock indexes, on the DAX index, we have the bullish grabber right there. Despite the recent collapse of the Apple stocks, we could get the S&P grabber today. Something is going on here, something important. And this keeps me aside by far from taking new short position immediately on the euro currency. Despite that, euro has really weak technical background for significant bounce, because this is not some fib level, this is not, I don't know, some confidence level or something. This is just the extension between the major levels and daily oversold. So that's all. But the analysis of the other markets makes me to sit on the hands and wait. So other reasons for that is because today is also the Friday, and I do not want to hold any position for the weekend, because right now in the weekends would happen very important political events. Second, whatever performance will be, we could just get some advantage from it. So if markets start forming some hand and shoulders here, scalp traders could consider taking the long position with it, some upward ABCD pattern, but this definitely happens only next week. For the bears, as well tells us that, well, we just need to wait and see for the just bad entry opportunity. In the case if market will start failing and hand shoulders will start to fail, that's also great because we will get the clear signs that we could step in. But at this point, where the market stands just in halfway to the completion of the hand shoulders or to its failure or whatever it will be, I do not see any reasons to trying to anticipate this moment and just jumping in, especially on the background of the bullish patterns on the stock market and on the gold. So from that standpoint, I prefer today to not take any positions by far and see what will happen in the beginning of next week. Probably we will not need to wait too long. Somewhere in Monday and Tuesday, I suppose, there will be some clarity. So that's what we have currently on euro currency.